Alright. Mana?
Hello.
Oh, hello. Go ahead. I have a business.
Well, understood the situation?
Yeah, it's very easy.
You have to delay the notary, but I will pay you when you give me the notary.
Yes, but I need to borrow some money now.
Okay. Here you are.
Oh, thanks. I know. But where can I find the notary?
Oh, in this paper, there is his direction.
Oh, thanks. Does I take the notary?
The sooner the better. For example, this afternoon at 4 o'clock.
Where do you meet with me?
I will be waiting you there.
Okay. Bye.
Goodbye. 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 Bueno.
Touch me. Should I hug it?
Oh, hello. Come on.
Where am I?
Wait.
So.
Good work. Here you are, the second part of the money.
Oh, thanks. This is for you.
Okay.
Bye.
What do you want?
What? No.
Wait a minute.
Okay. Does I give him?
No, I need him.
Okay, but I go for a walk. Do you want to tell me what I'm doing here?
Oh, you know it.
No, I don't know it.
Do you remember something about an inheritance?
But he said you that Terry made a change in his will.
So why did you say to Mary and Juliet that the inheritance was for us too?
How do you know it?
I stood behind the door.
What else do you know?
Everything. You have a big problem.
What do you mean?
I don't know it. It depends on you. If you give us our part of the inheritance, nothing will happen. But if you don't do it, you know everything could happen.
But you don't need the money. You're rich.
No, we aren't. I bought the big house because I thought that the inheritance was for us too. And now I am going to be ruined because of you.
What?
Are you disposed to change your plans and give us our part of the inheritance?
No.